Hi there, topper lovers. This is the easiCrown from Easy Hair, i.e. Jon Renau. And this is the 12-inch HD heat-defiant clip-bang crown volumizer, also known as easiCrown. Comes in a box like this. I've already taken the liberty of taking the tape off of it so I can get at the delicious goodness on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Now, once in a while we get people who freak out when they buy toppers because they assume that because the tags are not attached that it's not brand new. I'd like to tell you that that, for the record, is completely wrong, because with a lot of these units the tags are not going to be attached. They're just going to be here on the hang tag. Okay, so this is an example of that, so don't freak out if you see it. It's just the way this one comes. It's attached here to the clip that I'm gonna undo right now because I wanna give you some kind of approximation of how this one looks on, even though that's gonna be silly when you see how little hair I actually have in just a second. This is what this one looks like. So you can see this is not going to give you a ton of coverage, and it gives no coverage at all up here. So instead of thinking about this in terms of coverage, you should think about this in terms of how much volume it's going to add to the top of your style, because this is where this particular unit sits. Right? It sits at the crown. Do you see where I'm sticking this thing? So it doesn't give any coverage on top at all. It's only here in the back. So these are great for people who have thinning back here, or if they just want a little bit more volume in the back here. And this is what this one looks like. It's all lace, so it's transparent the whole way through. The base is 6.5 inches by 2.25 inches. The weight is about an ounce, so it's extremely light, but it doesn't have that much hair on it. What is there though will be easy to conceal. And again, you just put it up here and your hair can either go over it, the way, you know, depending on how you decide to style it, or this can go on top of your hair. So there you go. That's easiCrown by Jon Renau, aka Easy Hair. And this color has been 5651. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, bringing you toppers and wigs and color spotlights and all kinds of goodness. So if you like that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. We would love to hear from you. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.